Hey you guys, it's CC Galore here, and if you want to see how I installed this beautiful wig, stay tuned. So the wig I'm reviewing today is Keshona by Cloud9 Swiss Lace Wig, and this is in the color 2. And I'm just showing you what the wig looks like. In the lace, 13 by 6. So now I'm going to apply my lace glue around the perimeter of my head, and I'm using bold hold. I'm going to spread that out. And now I'm using a lace tint spray, and I'm going to spray that onto the lace. It's going to give you a natural looking scalp. And I just bought one in my color. Spray that all over. Don't mind my facial expression, you guys. And next I'm going to just dry that lace because it is going to be wet, but you just dry it and it'll fit just fine. Now that the glue is tacky, I'm going to apply the wig. Using lots of pressure, make sure that it's in place. I'm just pressing that amongst the other side. And now I'm just going to go ahead and get my blow dryer and dry it to make sure it's nice and in place. Now I'm just taking some small scissors. I'm going to cut away all of that lace. And taking the razor, making sure I get every little piece away from the forehead. Now I'm taking my rat tail comb and I'm just parting a little bit of hair away from the face so I can create some baby hairs. Cut that away. I'm gonna take a little bit of Got To Be gel and applying that. Taking a small brush and brushing the baby hairs. I'm going to do the same thing near my ear. Applying the Got To Be again. I'm just going to brush that as well. I'm just going to dry that. I already did the other side off of the camera. And I'm just drying that in place. And now I'm taking my Ben Nye powder in the color Chestnut. And that color is good to blend amongst those areas where the lace and the cap kind of show a white glare. This will blend in to make it look like real scalp. I'm doing that on the other side as well. Now I'm taking my hot comb. I'm just going to press that hair back a little bit so it's not so bumpy. Make it a little bit flatter on top. I'm just going to add a little more powder to the scalp again. Now I'm taking my Got To Be spray. I'm just going to spray the sides of the hair. I'm going to comb it back. Those longer pieces will kind of stay in place. Comb backwards. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And I'm just going to spray the whole back area and comb it towards the middle of the head. give you a 360. I did cover my back up because I have a few scars I didn't want you guys to see, but this is the back of the wig. Here's the profile of what it looks like. I absolutely love this wig. It's very natural looking. As you can see, when I pull my hair back, it still looks like it's coming straight up the scalp. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today and this review on the Keshona wig. Please subscribe, like, comment. Follow me on IG. It's cc_galore. Thanks for watching.